Hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Yes, the third and last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper, no, because today it's actually Thursday. And Thursday, I've told you no additional, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper of a Wednesday. Wednesday, August the 31st, 2022. I've already done 2 puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 2 stars Sudoku. And it's time now for the cipher block. In Dutch, they call it cipher block, but in English, Tectonic. Japanese, Suguru. Yes. Alright. This one will be number 5109. Alright. Before I start, I always count up 20 digits. Well, this one has 18 20 digits. Should be an easy one. Of course, it's one star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. That's my time limit. 15 minutes. Alright, we will see if this is really a 1 star. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, single box, always a 1. Dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes here? Here, dual box contains the 1 and a 2. Well, the 1 here is already filled in, so this should be a 2. Here also, a dual box. I do not know in which order, because I need more information. So the 1 and the 2, let me mark those 2 boxes. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. Here we have a triple box. When you see a triple box, remember. By the way, the triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be a 1. We have a 1 over there, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. And the 3 could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, okay. Triple box, quadra boxes then. Here we have a quadra box. Well, this box can be a 2. Well, the quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, this box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the 4 could be everywhere. Here also a triple quadra box. We have a 3 there, so those 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Okay, more quadra boxes, no. Then the following strategy is to look for boxes. No, we are looking for shapes that you need to recognize. Shapes, figures, construction, structures, whatever you name it. For example, the T shape, we have here the T shape, rotated. Let me draw the T shape here. We have not so a lot of space, so let me draw this here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. Alright, that box has the same number as this box. Then the following shape, we have only one T shape. This shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so in this case it's a 1 or a 2. Yeah. Okay, let me draw this here. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the last shape, I believe. Yeah, we have the last shape. This shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here only 3, maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be and there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Now we have a 1 here. This box can be 1 anymore, that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1, now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore, that box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. I've marked this box with the 1 and that box with the 1, but I cannot place the 1 here because we have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes, so it's not the solution to place the 1 there. The 1's supposed to be here, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, we already have a 2 here, so it can't be 2 anymore, so that 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box can be 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, alright. Then. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. And this box is connected with that box, so we also 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. 3 and 4. And this box is connected with that box, so we also 3 and 4. Okay. Then this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah, I'm thinking. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. The other pair in this corner box should be the 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Well, I cannot place the 2 here because we have a double 2 there. If I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here and the 4 goes here. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Okay. Let me think. Well. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay, that means that this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. Here we have also a double 1, so these 2 boxes can be a 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So here can be 1, there can be 1, and here can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4. It should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers in this area. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area should be there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 1 box left in this triple box for number 3. These 3 boxes surround the 3. Can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. This box can be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 3 and 5, 3 and 5. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1, 2, 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. 3 and a 5. Alright. I think this box, wait. I think this box is a 5. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. But it's not helping me. Well. Let me think. Well, this box, I think this box should be a 4. Because, oh, wait, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. So now we have a pair, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. But I cannot place the 3 here, because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4. And 1 box left in this area for number 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 5. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 5 goes and there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 2 goes there. 3 and a 1, we have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Then I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Yes, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then let me see 4 and 5. Okay. 1, 2. I need to think. Well, one of the missing number in this area is the number 3. Here can be a 3, we have a 3 there. There can be 3, we have a 3 over there. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 4 and the 5 are left now, 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Oh, now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there, finish in 14 minutes. Told you need to be faster than 15 minutes. And we solve it again. I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and have a great and fantastic Thursday. We will meet again tomorrow, September the 1st, on Friday. And as you know, every Friday, no, every first Friday of the month, I will do a speed test. So I will do a speed test with the Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy. See you then. Bye bye for now.